new life begins, hidden from the world, inside a soft, leathery shell. Inside, a tiny snake develops, feeding on the yolk as its body and scales gradually form. As days pass, it grows stronger until it's ready to break free. Using a special temporary tooth, it cuts the shell. The moment of birth is near, and out it comes. Surprisingly, this newborn is already fully independent. It can crawl, hide from danger, and even hunt small insects from day one. As months pass, it grows and sheds its skin many times, each time becoming bigger and stronger, till the tiny baby becomes one of nature's most fascinating and skilled predators.